I'm back on the VTI and making some more solid progress. Here are a few shots of some new genuine Honda parts for the build. A new throttle cable, a box of blind plugs, a rubber boot for the shifter fork, and a rubber cushion for the shock tower. The steering column had some surface rust and was looking a bit tired. So I cleaned it up and gave it a good hit with some rust guard. It should stay rust free for a while now. I also gave the metal dash support bar the same treatment. The clutch reservoir was in decent condition, so it only needed a clean, but the bracket was looking a little rough, so that got sandblasted and powder coated in metallic silver. I also picked up the new rubber tube from Honda. The taillights come up really well after a good clean. The little vent on the rear left corner was worn out, so I grabbed a brand new one from Honda. The tailgate trim also came up nicely after a good clean and a fresh coat of paint. Same with the lower trim. The rear hatch rubber seal was torn and worn out, so I replaced it with a new genuine Honda seal. The original seatbelts were worn and weren't retracting properly, so I sent the full set away to be re-webbed with new belts. I went with a slightly darker grey to tie in with the darker cloth on the VTI seats. The seatbelt anchor rods were sandblasted and powder coated satin black. And everything went back in smoothly. It all looks great. The original door and window weather strips were also pretty worn out, so I sourced brand new items. The door strikers had a little bit of surface corrosion, so I cleaned them up and gave them a good hit of clear coat. The metal window channels are raw steel and prone to rust, so I cleaned them up and gave them a good coat of rust guard for protection. The new rubbers fitted perfectly and really helped make the car feel like new again. The original plastic seals inside the doors were in bad condition, lots of tears, and they're discontinued from Honda, so I decided to make my own set. They should do the job of keeping dust and water away from the door cards. With the battery connected, I was able to test the electrics. Really cool to see the power folding mirrors doing their thing, and the power windows working too. I was hoping to show the sunroof and more of the interior in this video, but it's already getting a bit too long. In the next video, I'll share more footage of the dashboard plus more interior parts, including the rear seats and that sunroof in action.